Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Geolocation Addon by WPForms. The Geolocation Addon allows you to collect geographic information from your users, like their country, state, and city information, which can not only give you a better idea of who is visiting your site and from where, but it can also help you make smarter decisions about how you may want to manage your business going forward. With that said, let's jump right in. Starting off in your WordPress dashboard, the first thing we'll need to do is install the Geolocation Addon, so go to WPForms on the left, Add-ons, and scroll or search for the Geolocation Addon, then activate it. Next, let's go to WPForms on the left, go to Settings, and click on the Location tab. On this page, you'll be able to select from two different options, Google Places and Mapbox Search. First, let's go through enabling Google Places. Select Google Places from the list of options. As soon as you select this, you'll see two more settings appear: a current location checkbox, which will detect and pre-fill the user's location as soon as the form loads, and a text field where you'll need to enter your Google Places API key. To generate the API key, you'll need to go to your Google Developer Console. If you're logged into your Google account but don't know where to go, you can find a link in the video description below. Once you're on the console dashboard, click on the Select a Project drop-down at the top of the page. In the following pop-up, click New Project on the right corner. After you've created your project, you'll need to click Enable APIs and Services and enable the following APIs: Places, Maps, JavaScript, and Geocoding. Next, navigate to the Credentials tab in the console, click the Create Credentials button, and select the API key option to generate an API key. Once the key has been created, a pop-up will appear. Click Restrict Key or Edit API Key to configure the following options. You'll need to allow your API key to be used within WPForms, so we'll want to select the Websites option in this first section. In this second section, Website Restrictions, it's recommended that you restrict which domains your key can be used on. Here, you'll need to add the domains you'd like to use your key on. If you want to use the key across an entire domain, you can use the asterisk symbol. Once you've restricted your key by application and website, you'll need to restrict your key by API, and to do this, you'll need to click on the Restrict Key option. You'll then see a drop-down where you'll need to select the specific APIs you'd like to restrict your key to. From this list, select Places API, Maps JavaScript API, and Geocoding API. When you're done, click the Save button to save your settings. You'll then be redirected to an overview of all available API keys. Copy the value under the key column, and we're ready to go back to the settings page in WPForms on our site. Paste the API key you just copied from Google into the API key field and save your settings. Now that we've gone over the Google Places setup process, let's go through the setup process for Mapbox Search if that's your preferred option. Select Mapbox Search API from the list of options on the geolocation page. When you select it, you'll see two additional options appear, one for the access token and a toggle called Current Location, which will detect and pre-fill the user's current location when the form loads. To find the access token, open a new tab and log into your Mapbox Search account. On the Mapbox Search dashboard, find and click Tokens on the navigation bar on the left side. This will take you to the Access Tokens page, where you can add and manage your tokens. You'll see a default access token on the page, but we recommend creating a new one you can use specifically for WPForms. To do this, click on the Create a Token button. On the following page, give your new token a name. You'll also see a section called Token Scopes, where you'll see various public scopes that are selected by default. Leave the section as it is and scroll down to the Token Restriction section. Find the URL field, type in your website's URL, then click on the Add URL button. Once this is done, click on the Create Token button. A pop-up will then appear asking you to confirm your account password. Type in your password and click the Submit button. You'll then be redirected back to the Access Tokens page, where you'll see the new token you just created. Copy it and tab back to your WordPress site. Paste the token into the Access Token field, and if you'd like to pre-fill the form with your user's location, click on the Current Location toggle. When you're done, save your settings. If you decided to share it, you'll see your current location on a map preview below. After your API key has been set up and configured, we can now go into the form builder to create our form and test it out. The Geolocation add-on also comes with an auto-address complete feature that can help your visitors even more by automatically filling out their address as soon as they start typing in either the address field or a single-line text field. You can enable this feature by adding in an address field or a single-line text field. Click on it, and then go to the Advanced tab. There you should see an option called Enable Auto-Address Complete. When you click on it to turn on the feature, you'll see an additional option appear called Display Map. The Display Map option will add an interactive map to your form that visitors can use to pin their location instead of typing it out. You can also choose where you want to display the map, either above or below the field. When you've finished customizing the rest of your form, save your changes. Now when an entry is submitted, the data includes an interactive map, as well as the city, state, zip code, and country information, as well as an approximate latitude and longitude for the user's town. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to collect geolocation data to learn more about your site's visitors. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. You can also join our WPForms VIP Circle group on Facebook to learn even more tips and tricks, as well as be part of the growing WPForms community. If you need any extra help, please visit our contact page to connect with one of our trusted advisors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.